Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use easy ads for Shopify. So guys, what you have to do, go to your apps and from here go to apps and sales channel setting, and after that guys click on Shopify App Store, and from here guys search for easy ads, as you can see here, easy ads. And from here, all you have to do, guys, you have click and start this plugins or icon, and after that, guys, wait to loading this page. For example, click install, and after that, guys, install this plugins for Shopify. And after that, guys, click install and connect and create and launch. This is the steps. Click start free trial and click start my free trial. And after that, guys, click approve, and you make sure add your this information. You have a trial and you have membership, and click approve and wait, guys, and click done, and we just wait to loading this page, and click connect your Facebook, as you can see here, and open Facebook, say connect, guys, as you can see here. After that, guys, wait and click continue with my Facebook ads. And after that, guys, just wait, click continue. And from here, what you have to do, click connect, as I say, connect with Facebook and click continue. And after that, wait to loading this page, guys, as you can see here, a verification process, and click firm. And this is my Facebook ads account, guys. Click this option, and this is Facebook pixel, and you have business manager, and this is as connected from here. And from here, click create, and you can launch. You can select your product you want to promote, guys, and just click. For example, you have category for product, as you can see here, of different category, and click choose this one, any option, and click save. And from here, you can generate ad text with your AI in this on the funnel step. And after that, scroll down, you have this all funnel steps. And from here, you can edit your product, and you can select your product to promote, and click launch. This is how you can do these steps, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you my another video soon. This is the ads banner, guys. As you can see here, you can generate ads without any problems. Thanks, guys, again for watching this video.